राज्यात 11 पंचायतीच्या 15 प्रभागांनी 73.43% मतदान जालें. राज्यात 16 प्रभागांनी मतदान जावपाचें आसलें. मात बेतालबाती बिनविरोध निवडून आयिल्ल्यान फक्त 15 प्रभागांनी वेंचणूक जाली. राज्यात 2 जूनाक मतमोजणी जातली म्हण माहिती गोंय वेंचणूक आयोगान दिल्या. आरडेक्स गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
The polling for 15 wards has peacefully completed. The total turnout of the 15 wards is nearly 74%. There is no untoward incidents reported. In Kurka Bambolim, the maximum turnout is there. That is ward number 1, 94.18%. The counting of all these wards, that is including all these wards, there are 11 panchayats or 19 wards, will be conducted tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. onwards.
So where it is?
These countings will be conducted at 9 locations. 1. Bicholim for village Panchayat Adwal Pal, Mamaldar office. Bardej, Penada Franca, Boxing Hall of Dayanand Badnankar Kendriya Sankul Sports Complex. Or Anjuna Kansha, Bardej, it will be done in Pedim, Bardej, Mapsa. Bastara Panchayat of Bardej Taluka county will be held at Boxing Hall of Government Sports Complex, Pedim. For Tiswadi, Kurka Bambolim and also Talalim Messes will be held in Pharmacy College. Ponda, Bedki Kandepal will be held in courtroom of Mamaldar of Ponda. The cell set Nivem Bethel Bethim Panchayats will be conducted ground floor of South Goa District Collectorate, Madgaon. For Chandur Kavari Panchayat of Selset Taluka will be held on room number 123, first floor, Mahante Saldana Complex, Madgaon. Sankwale Panchayat of Murmugaon Taluka will be held at MPT Institute Hall, Vasco da Gama.